Hey friends, Kevin here, and have you ever wondered if you need a tent that will hook to an SUV, hook to a minivan, even hook to a car? I'm going to show you exactly what one of these things can do. Joytutus sent this one to me. I've been using it for a few days and it has not disappointed. Once you do this one time and figure it out, you can put one of these up or take it down in less than 10 minutes. In addition to the size, check out how tall this is. Let me give you a tour. You have doors on both the front and the back. You have large windows on every side that you can open. There are tie downs for the windows. So I have a nice cross breeze going, but if I wanted to have even more air, there we go. And then I can roll that up nice and neat and tie it off. Hooks are built into this for lights. There are several storage bags built in. So now, regardless of weather, I could crawl in and out of my van. I can use this area and simply reach into my van and access my refrigerator, different things that I need to get a hold of. This whole area is sealed and protected from any kind of bugs, anything entering. Reach in and grab a drink. I can even put a window screen up there. So this thing is very well thought out. And in addition to anyone being able to easily stand up in this tent, there's just plenty of space in here for your stuff. If you choose to sleep in here, you could easily get 3 or 4 sleeping bags. If you're going to have stuff stored in here, that's fine. If you want to put chairs in here and invite people in, you could easily have 7 or 8 people in here. Plenty of space. So we know this tent works with this minivan. Let's try it with some other vehicles. So that brings us to the question, do you need a minivan, car, SUV, tent like this one from Joytutus? And I think that's going to depend on the type of camping, the type of adventuring that you do. Folded down and back in the bag, this thing has such a small footprint. Even a car, this will easily, you can just throw it in the back seat along with your other stuff and take off on your adventure. If you're the type of camper that goes somewhere and sets up for a few days or more at a time, I think something like this pretty much is a no-brainer. It's really going to expand your camping experience. And the question a lot of you may have is how easy or how hard is it going to be to put this thing up or take it down, and is one person going to be able to easily do this? I'm going to answer that question by showing you. But first, I need to give a quick shout out to today's sponsor, which are Okmo batteries. These are the batteries that I have been using for over a year now in my particular minivan setup. They power everything that I am doing, from heaters in the wintertime to air conditioners in the summertime. If you're looking to move away from power stations and build your own system, or you have an RV that you need to replace and upgrade to get all the extra advantages, certainly check out these Okmo batteries, and they are linked down below. As far as putting one of these together, the instruction manual that comes with it isn't bad. It does at least include pictures. Once you do this one time, it's going to be much easier than it probably appears here. Because like everything, the first time there's a little bit of figuring out. But really, all you're going to do is extend these 4 long poles. And at that point, you will be able to pop this entire tent up into place. Then you're just going to pull your 4 corners out, stake them down to the ground. Depending on the weather you may be facing, you may want to add the rain flap, throw it over the top, connect it to the four corners, and use the rope tie downs. That way, even in strong winds, you don't have to worry about that top coming off, and you're going to be protected from the elements. Again, one person can easily do this completely in less than 10 minutes. And if I am setting up anywhere, I want things that are a fast setup and a fast teardown, because the time I get to spend out in the world, I want to spend that out exploring and hiking and adventuring and hanging out with friends, and not assembling and disassembling things for hours. The only potential con that I see, and this is going to be true of any tent material, is simply that you have to remember that you have a hot exhaust on the vehicle that you are hooking this to. So when you're pulling up to it, backing up to it, you want to back up, get there, cut the vehicle off. When you unhook it, you want to do the same thing. Don't get distracted by something, jump in the vehicle and take off, because hot exhaust gases could damage this or any other tent. That's just a common sense thing, but one of those things that's easy to forget when we get busy thinking about the other things we need to do when we're getting set up and hooked up to go. So if you've seen these SUV minivan type tents advertised and wondered if they were any good, wondered how hard they were going to be to set up, wondered how good of access you'd have to your vehicle, I hope this answered your questions. You'll find the links to this stuff down below where you can check the current pricing and offers, and we'll talk soon.